Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's review volume expansion due to the change in temperature. And notice, let's say we have a glass container that is filled with ethanol, and we're going to heat it from 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Well, how much of the ethanol will overflow? Well, that depends upon the coefficient of volume expansion for the ethanol compared to glass. And typically, liquids expand more rapidly when they're heated than solids. So notice that the change in volume for a solid is going to be 3 times the linear coefficient of expansion times the original volume times delta T. So for length, we use 1 alpha. For area, we use 2 alpha. For volume, we use 3 alpha, 3 times the linear coefficient of expansion. And notice when we plug in the values, so notice for glass, it's a range. So let's take 5 times 10 to the minus 6 per Celsius degree times the original volume times the change in the temperature, and we get 0.06 cubic centimeters. Now for the volume expansion of a liquid, we use the coefficient of volume expansion, which needs to be given. So in the case of ethanol, it's 70 times 10 to the 6 per to the negative 6. That should be negative 6 per Celsius degree. And notice when we plug in the values, we get 0.28 cubic centimeters of expansion. Notice that it's more than the expansion of the glass, so the overflow will be the difference between the two, 0.28 minus 0.06, and we get 0.02 cubic centimeters for overflow. And that's how we deal with volume coefficient of expansion and the volume expansion of liquids and solids as is shown here.